What's up, guys? Matt here. Early this morning, we finally got some dry days out here. Got the concrete flowing. Check this out right here. We got Bradley Concrete out here putting the concrete down. And let me introduce you to my buddy. This is my buddy Antonio with JZ Ruiz Concrete. Flip it around, let's get your number. That's his number right there. Anybody that wants the concrete done right, call me, we'll get it done for you. Yesterday, JZ Ruiz Concrete came out. They formed up all these driveways for me. Got it exactly the way we wanted it. Spent a few hours out here. I said up, they did it up. I said down, they put it down. They did it exactly the way I wanted to. This crew right here works differently than any other crew I've ever had on my job. And you will see when I show you the finished product. So I also want to give a big shout out right here to Bradley Concrete, Lamcon. I only use them. I've known them for a long time from school and church, and they are the only local concrete that I will use on my jobs. All right, guys, so check this out. They got the sidewalk already poured out here. Got it about 4 foot wide right here. It's a narrow spot. It's gonna expand out here right up into the stairs. We about got this first truck poured out. I'm gonna flip this around. I want to show you this homemade rake that they got right here. This is pretty funny. Look at this rake that they've come up with. So, you know, talk about, I say it's funny, but it's pretty innovative, honestly. Also, right over here, we got Antonio got the bull float out. He's gonna start laying this down, slicking it out. Truck number 1 is about to roll out of here right now. We got truck number 2 with another 10 yards waiting up here on the curb. He's gonna bring it down here. We're gonna finish out this driveway right here. Hopefully this 10 yards is gonna finish it out. We'll have poured out 20 yards today. What's up, guys? The driveway's poured now. I had to run out, go to the bank, get some money, pay all these guys with everything that's going on around here in the country. You know, just wanted to make sure we had some money to keep this project going. And so I had to run out. I missed the second truck pouring it out, but I'm gonna show you their finishing process right here and show you how beautiful they're about to make this sidewalk and driveway. All right, check this out on the sidewalk here. They're running their jointer right down through here. You can see the guy doing it over there. They are doing that because it's a control joint that is where the concrete, they want it to crack rather than cracking across the visual area. So they run those control joints every so often, and they run their little bull nose around these edges, get it all rounded over pretty. And once this concrete dries out a little bit more, they'll put the broom finish to it. So let's run right over here to the actual main driveway, and we'll see him doing this control joint right here. So he's gonna lay out his straight edge so he can walk down through here and not mess the surface up. And it's already, we got about 70 something degrees today, so the concrete is drying rather quickly. And so they're getting on this real quick, or it can get away from you and dry out, and then you got problems. So they'll probably put this control joint about every 10 to 12 feet. There'll be one more going across here, and then they're gonna put one straight down the middle of the driveway. All right, so come up here with me real quick. Come up here with me to this sidewalk again, and we're gonna watch him right here. He's gonna put the broom finish on here. All right, so let me flip it around here. He's gonna run that broom down those stairs and put the broom finish on there. And then he'll pull it straight back across there, and it'll make a nice little textured finish so that once this concrete's wet, you don't slip and fall. Look at those perfect joints right there. Straight lines on all of the broom finishing. I know that it might not matter to everybody that those lines are straight and perfect, but it matters to me. And it matters to that guy right over there that runs this business. He likes to do the best job that they can do to their ability, so that when the customer sees it and the other contractors see it, they know that they will use him. And that's why I've got him out here. I've been watching his work on Facebook for the last few weeks, maybe the last few months, maybe even a year. I can't remember. I think I've been watching it for like a year, and I watch all his videos, how particular and how he does everything. And I says, this right here is my guy. And I was telling some other people about him, and some other contractors were like, oh yeah, Jay-Z Ruiz, that's who we use. And I was like, yeah, I see why. So let's flip back around to this driveway right here and show you all the action. So they're getting it all troweled out, all the joints. And then old Papi right here will come in, and he's gonna put the broom finish on here. All right, everybody, they're done. They're about to pull out of here right now. They just finished this job. It's so beautiful looking. I want to share this final product with everybody that's watching this video today. We got right here where we tied into the neighbor's sidewalk. Coming on down, they got all these good straight control joints every 4 feet. Everywhere there is a sharp edge like that. And you may be asking me like, Matt, why didn't you pour that right there? Well, in this neighborhood right here that we're in, we've got to pour a stamped concrete apron right there. And as soon as the weather provides, they'll come back out and we will pour that. It'll have a color in it. They'll stamp it, a beautiful look, come back and seal it, and it'll finish off this driveway. So back to what we were looking at here. They've got all the broom finish on here, perfectly straight control joints everywhere. Right here, every 4 feet. Control joints coming off of the mailbox there, because those are high probability of cracking areas. All the way down through here. Perfect broom looking finish. Control joints everywhere. Beautiful looking sidewalk. Right up here, as I told you earlier, they formed this up exactly like I liked it. Pitched it off, get the water away from the house. Made me a real nice landscape bed right there. Perfect control joints everywhere, right here on the corner. That's all I've got for you today, guys. We got this driveway done. Looks great, like I've been going on about over and over in this video. I'm so happy with these guys. Hope some of y'all will check them out and be happy with them too. But I appreciate everyone who came out today watching this video. Make sure you go down there, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see y'all in the next video.